Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing an extra video because I'm really excited about this birthday organizer and card kit. So we're going to put this together and put the cards that come with the kit together. And so you can see how simple it is to put together. It actually comes with 6 of each design, so there's 12 cards to get you started. So we're going to go ahead and make each one of the cards together on video here. So these are the card bases. We're going to go ahead and fold those. Okay, so we have those ready. And now there was a whole sheet of these. So we need that piece and these punch outs. And we're going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and do this card first. So we're going to get these pieces prepped. Set those aside. It's this card base we're going to be working with here. So we're going to take our tear tape that came in the box, and we're going to put that on these pieces here on the back. So we're going to put some right there. And another piece right here. Okay, and then we're going to put some on this piece as well. We're going to do that on 3 sides. This card kit's really easy, and I love that it comes with cards to get you started. Okay, so now that we have those on there, we're going to bring in our card base, make sure we have it open in the right direction. And we're going to put this larger triangle on first. I'm just going to line this up here along the top and side edge. Okay, we've got that piece on, and then we'll do this one. Line that up with the side and bottom edge. Okay, so the next part for this card, and we're almost done with it, is to put in our birthday greeting. The rest of these are in different language. Set those aside. Just going to stick this birthday greeting on here. And then we're going to take some embellishments. And I am following the instructions that come in the pack on how to put these together. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and add some embellishments. So we're going to add a couple right here. Another one right here. Then we're going to do some down at the bottom here. There you go. That card is finished. Super quick and easy. And I'm going to put the envelope with it. And this gingham goes with this envelope because of the coloring there. So we've got that card done. Now we're going to go ahead and do this other card. So we're going to pop out all our pieces here. Okay, there's those pieces. And we will need this as well. for this card base, and it opens this way. Okay, so we're going to put some tear tape on the back of this. I'm going to get rid of that really quick. Put a little bit more on the end there. Okay. And you don't have to do all the way across. You could do pieces if you want to. You will end up with a tiny bit left of tear tape. But if you want to end up with some more left, you can, instead of running long strips on each of the pieces that require the tear tape, you can just do smaller pieces and it will extend the amount of tear tape you have. Okay, so now we're going to flip all these other pieces over. Okay, and we're going to take, first we'll do the dimensionals. So we're going to put our dimensionals on this on the bigger floral image here. We just need a couple. And then we're going to go and add our glue dots here on these other pieces. I'm using a take your pick tool to pick them up. I just find it easier to pick them up and place them with this tool. Okay. So we have attached all of our glue, tape, sticky stuff to our card. Now we can go ahead and assemble this card. So we're going to take this long piece here, remove the backing paper, okay. And then we're going to go ahead and try to center this best we can on here. Okay, that's attached. Now what I like to do with this is I like to take this flower before I remove the backing paper on the dimensionals and kind of place it where I want it. And then I'm going to take these pieces, remove the backing paper on the glue dots, and then kind of hold this in place and place this where I want it. Now if you lay it lightly before pushing it down, you can remove it. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove that and push that down because that's where I want that. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing with each piece that has the glue dots on them. Okay, I'm going to get this right where I want it. I'm going to place this leaf. And this just, if you do this, for me anyway, if I don't stick this down first, then I can get these placed where I want it. I can make sure I hold it in place where everything else is at and get my piece placed where I want it. And now I can remove the backing paper on this and attach this to the card. Okay, let's see, I want this like that. Okay, so now we have those pieces attached. And now we're going to put our sentiment. I have one more in English, the rest is in another language. Now this I'm not following. It says to put it right here, but that would push this down. So I'm going to leave that popped up and I'm just going to place this on the card like that. Okay. And now we're going to take our embellishments and embellish the card. So we'll put one here, two here, two here, and then one right here. And that card is done. And we're going to stick it with the envelope. Here we go. Now I've already went ahead and did all of the cards so that we can fill our organizer. And the only thing we need to do with our organizer is put the months on there. So we have these stickers here, and it has each of the months. Let's see, where are the English ones? Here we go. So right here. The rest of them are in a different language. So we're just going to take this and put our months on there. Get it all ready. I was so excited when I saw that this kit came out. I used to have a card organizer many, many years ago, and I loved it. But I haven't really seen anything. I haven't honestly really looked really hard, but I haven't seen anything where that is an offering. Super quick and easy kit. Great gift idea too for those who love to make cards or give cards and to be able to keep track, especially as the family grows. Just And I love the versatility of this. So if you didn't want to do it by months and you wanted to use this organizer for something different, you wouldn't have to do that. You could leave them off. Okay, and then our last one. Okay, so there's our card organizer complete. So now we can take our cards. And I have, I don't know where it's at the moment, my birthday book. Is just a notebook. Here we go. So my birthday book is just one of these composition notebooks. I have several of these, so I often have to dig around to figure out where it's at. So I'm going to be excited just to move everything in here. This is going to be, you know, I can tell it's spiral bound. I can tell what this is for. You've also got a label here you can label. So one thing, you have your front and back pockets, so you could just put some cards you make in there. And it holds quite a bit. And then put your your cards for your birthday in each pocket. And it's got the date, so you can write, you know, the dates, person's name next to the date for the birthdays. Also, as you're making cards, you can be putting them in there. So as you're making them for the people on your list, just put them in, make it and put it in their pocket. So I'm super excited. I love this. Another idea I had, just to keep everything together, is you could put in the back of each month a sheet with all the addresses for the people on the list. So if you're mailing them, you can have all the address right there. You just pull everything out, you have everything ready. You could also keep like a little thing with stamps in here too, or put your stamps in here in the front pocket here. So anyway, there is the completed birthday card organizer kit. You do end up with a little bit of tear tape, some dimensionals, and remember you use the sides as well. You have some glue dots, and you have some leftover sequins. And then of course all the sentiments in a different language. So, and I do save these and use these on other projects. All right, thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.